The ocean is a realm of endless mystery, a world where sunlight dances through blue depths and ancient creatures glide in silence. Here, time stretches back millions of years, and every current carries secrets yet to be discovered. Among the ocean's most captivating inhabitants are the rays, mysterious, graceful, and powerful. Their wing-like fins ripple as they soar above vibrant coral reefs, embodying both beauty and intrigue. Rays are living links to the distant past, their lineage stretching back to the age of ancient seas. Close-ups reveal their unique features: flat, disc-shaped bodies, expressive eyes, and long, elegant tails, each adapted for survival in a world of constant change. From shallow coastal waters to the deep sea, rays play a vital role in marine ecosystems. As we begin our journey, let us dive into their world, one of wonder, adaptation, and the enduring spirit of the ocean. Rays are a remarkable group of cartilaginous fish, sharing a common ancestor with sharks over 150 million years ago. While both belong to the class Chondrichthyes, rays have evolved along a different path, developing unique features that set them apart from their shark relatives. Unlike sharks, rays have flattened, disc-shaped bodies with wing-like pectoral fins and long, slender tails. Their mouths and gills are located on the underside, while their eyes and spiracles sit on top, allowing them to breathe while buried in sand. These adaptations make rays masters of camouflage and ambush in a variety of marine environments. Rays are found in oceans all over the world, from shallow tropical lagoons to the deep sea. With over 600 species, they play vital roles in their ecosystems, controlling prey populations, stirring up the seafloor, and serving as indicators of ocean health. Their diversity and adaptability make them one of the ocean's most important and fascinating inhabitants. The story of rays begins over 150 million years ago, when their ancestors diverged from ancient sharks. Fossil evidence reveals early rays gliding through prehistoric seas, their bodies already showing the beginnings of the unique adaptations we see today. Over millions of years, rays evolved flattened, disc-shaped bodies and wing-like pectoral fins, allowing them to glide effortlessly along the ocean floor. Their skeletons, made of flexible cartilage instead of bone, provide both strength and agility. Rays breathe through spiracles, small openings behind their eyes, that draw water in and over their ventral gills, even while buried in sand. This adaptation lets them remain hidden from predators and prey alike. One of their most remarkable features is electroreception. Special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini allow rays to detect the faint electrical signals of hidden prey, making them expert hunters in murky waters. Their flattened bodies and cryptic coloration make rays masters of camouflage. By blending into the seafloor, they avoid predators and ambush unsuspecting prey. As both predators and prey, rays play a vital role in the marine food web. They help control populations of mollusks and crustaceans while also providing food for larger animals like sharks and orcas. The superorder Batoidea, encompassing all rays and skates, showcases an astonishing diversity of forms. With over 600 species, these cartilaginous fish have conquered every ocean, from sunlit shallows to the crushing darkness of the abyss. Each family has evolved unique strategies for survival, turning their flattened bodies into specialized tools for hunting, defense, and navigating their underwater world. Perhaps the most infamous are the stingrays, a name that immediately brings to mind their venomous barbed tails. But this formidable weapon is not for aggression. The barb, a modified serrated spine, is a purely defensive tool, deployed only when a ray feels pinned or threatened, a last resort against a perceived predator. Their venom contains a complex neurotoxin that causes excruciating pain, a potent warning to leave them be. Typically found in shallow coastal waters, they spend much of their time partially buried in sand, camouflaged from both predators and prey. Using electroreception, they detect the faint electrical fields of mollusks and crustaceans hidden beneath the surface, crushing their shells with powerful, plate-like teeth. In stark contrast to the bottom-dwelling stingray is the majestic manta ray, the largest ray in the world. These gentle giants are not hunters, but filter feeders, gracefully soaring through the open ocean with wingspans that can reach an incredible 7 meters. They use two specialized fins on their head, called cephalic lobes, to unfurl and channel vast quantities of plankton-rich water into their cavernous mouths. Mantas possess the largest brain-to-body mass ratio of any fish, exhibiting remarkable intelligence, complex social behaviors, and even potential self-awareness. They gather at specific coral reefs known as cleaning stations, where smaller fish remove parasites from their skin. Sadly, these intelligent creatures are threatened by overfishing, targeted for their gill plates, which are used in unproven traditional medicines, and by entanglement in fishing gear and plastic pollution. Some rays have evolved a defense that is truly shocking. The electric ray, a sluggish and often overlooked bottom dweller, possesses one of the most potent abilities in the animal kingdom. On either side of its head are large, kidney-shaped organs derived from modified muscle tissue. These act as biological batteries, capable of generating and discharging a powerful electric shock which can exceed 200 volts in some species. This stunning charge is used both to incapacitate fast-moving fish for an easy meal and as a formidable defense against predators like sharks. The ancient Greeks and Romans, aware of this ray's power, even used them in a primitive form of electrotherapy to treat ailments like headaches and gout. While some rays hide, others take to the sky. Eagle rays are renowned for their spectacular acrobatic displays, frequently leaping completely out of the water. The exact reason for this behavior remains a mystery. It could be a method of escaping predators, dislodging parasites, a form of communication, or perhaps simply an expression of play. These elegant swimmers are easily identified by their sharp, diamond-shaped bodies and long, whip-like tails. The spotted eagle ray in particular is a breathtaking sight, often traveling in large, synchronized schools. They are active hunters, using their unique shovel-shaped snouts to dig in the sand for their favorite foods, clams, oysters, and crabs, which they crush with their powerful dental plates. Finally, we have the skates, which are often confused with rays, but possess a crucial biological difference. While most rays give live birth, all skates are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. These eggs are protected by a tough, leathery case known colloquially as a mermaid's purse. Anchored to seaweed or left on the sea floor, these cases can shelter the developing embryo for over a year before a perfectly formed miniature skate emerges. Anatomically, skates also differ. Their tails are typically stockier and lack a venomous sting, and they propel themselves with a more delicate, wave-like motion of their pectoral fins. With over 200 species found from shallow waters to the deep sea, skates represent another fascinating and successful branch of the ray family tree. Rays are remarkable hunters, using their flat, plate-like teeth to crush the hard shells of clams, oysters, and crabs. Some species, like the eagle ray, dig into the sand with their snouts, unearthing hidden prey with impressive precision. Others, like the graceful manta ray, are filter feeders. They glide through the open ocean with their mouths wide, sieving plankton and tiny fish from the water using specialized gill rakers. Some rays, like the electric ray, use a different strategy, stunning their prey with a jolt of electricity before swallowing it whole. This adaptation allows them to capture fast-moving fish that might otherwise escape. Rays are not always solitary. Manta rays and cownose rays often gather in large groups or schools, gliding together in synchronized formations. These gatherings may help them find food, avoid predators, or even socialize. Some rays leap from the water in spectacular displays, possibly to communicate, escape predators, or remove parasites. These acrobatics are a stunning reminder of their agility and strength. The diet of each ray species shapes its role in the ecosystem. By preying on shellfish, rays help control populations and keep the seafloor healthy. Filter feeders like mantas transport nutrients across vast distances, connecting different parts of the ocean. Whether hunting alone or gliding in groups, rays are vital players in the marine world, each behavior a fascinating adaptation to life beneath the waves. The world of rays is a world without borders. They have a global presence, inhabiting nearly every tropical and temperate ocean. Their dominion is vast, stretching from sunlit coral reefs to the crushing pressures of the deep sea, where their relatives, the skates, have carved out an existence. This incredible adaptability is a testament to their ancient lineage. In a remarkable evolutionary feat, some species have even conquered freshwater. The most formidable of these is the giant freshwater stingray of Southeast Asia. But their unique habitat also makes them vulnerable to threats like dam construction and river pollution. For centuries, humans have shared the water with rays, weaving them into our cultures. In Polynesian societies, the manta ray is a guardian spirit, its form etched into tattoos as a symbol of freedom and protection. In ancient Peru, the Moche people immortalized rays in their pottery. This reverence reflects a deep respect for a creature that embodies both serene grace and potent danger. But in the modern world, that respect is often replaced by fear. A stingray's barb is not a weapon of aggression, but a last resort defense. The danger arises when an unsuspecting person steps on a ray buried in the sand, causing it to instinctively strike. The tragic death of conservationist Steve Irwin was a heartbreaking example of this reflex. Yet, avoiding such incidents is simple. Practice the stingray shuffle to announce your presence, giving the ray ample warning to swim away. Fortunately, fear is giving way to fascination. Well-managed ecotourism, like diving with manta rays, is transforming our relationship with these animals. This industry provides a powerful economic incentive. A living manta ray can generate over $1 million in tourism revenue. Tourists also become citizen scientists. Their photographs of the unique spot patterns on manta bellies help researchers identify and track individuals, providing invaluable data. However, this hopeful picture is shadowed by immense threats. The greatest danger is unsustainable fishing. As bottom dwellers, rays are devastated by bycatch from practices like bottom trawling. Many are also targeted for their meat or gill plates. This pressure is amplified by their biology. Rays grow slowly and have few young, so their populations cannot rebound quickly. Compounding this are habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. The situation is critical, but there is hope. Scientists use satellite tags to identify crucial habitats, informing the creation of marine protected areas. International regulations are choking the demand for ray products, while conservationists work with local communities on sustainable solutions. The fight to save these ancient mariners is complex, and their future rests precariously in our hands. Rays, ancient, graceful, and vital, glide through our oceans, shaping life beneath the waves. Their presence is a reminder of the ocean's wonder and its delicate balance. Let us protect these magnificent creatures, and in doing so, protect our blue planet. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of rays, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife documentaries.